How do you feel about the entire debacle so far?
Well, I'm excited and I'm sad.
Okay.
I'm excited because we're trying to help someone who's been left and abandoned. And I'm sad because she was abandoned.
Okay.
And no fault of hers. She's only a victim because she has a Nigerian father and South African mother.
But now that's where the bone of contention is, because based on, again, it's Africa we're looking at, and this is a situation that how we respond would say a lot about how we react to things on a larger level, on a more dynamic level, I would say. Now, her mum, according to the Home Affairs Department, is South African with a Mozambican descent. But then there is that clause of identity theft, and that's where the bone of contention is. Of course, she has absolutely nothing to do with that. But did this come up at any point in time while you made that decision to invite her to join Miss Universe?
Yes and no.
Okay.
I had a discussion with her, and she said that was being investigated, and I found that there was absolutely no claim whatsoever to that story.
Okay.
She is South African. Her mother is South African.
Wow.
I don't know if it was cooked up. I have no idea. But she tells me the mother is South African. They've dropped that case.
Okay.
So I don't know what's out there in the media now because...
Oh, it's a lot of things in the media out there right now.
I know. But as of 2 days ago, I was told...
That they've dropped the case?
They've investigated and the mother is South African.
This is really, this is crazy.
It's a bit twisted.
So let me get this straight.
So I think it's a case of... She was going so well in the pageant. They wanted to get her out and use any opportunity to get her out. That's how I see it.
Okanem ora ta na the surname of Omano Foro. Mano Foro na the four Fero ano be four na ano plus 4 ta equal ano Foro ano the machi achi Foro ta Fero na ruler king. Noting that Anoforo was the son of Agbara Ike, who became the god Anoforo in association with the god of death Osiri Oriozo, while Ano na the god of the ancestors. Foro became Pharaoh, the title of a living god and king and son of Doro. Foro, Pharaoh, Pharaoh, Pherosu, Doro, emperor, Doro, eke, eke, ruler, king, dame, lad, lado, zo, ga, gan, Ghana, wana, agam, anam, amgan, hachiado, hamulandi, bota, intomi, gata, iga, ta, tada, tade, kam, bia, Cambia, bia cam, bata, bata, coming.